Man, this bug is not light. Yes, today I would like to talk about what I always carry in this bag here. Yes, as you can see, this is my daily text, which I always put in this bag. The first one that I want to talk about is this small thing. This is it's a 7.1 channel sound pen. I use it when I want to transform my audio into 3D. I connect the microphone here, and all my audio gets into 5.1 true atmosphere digital surround technology. So all the audios that I'm producing started to get into it in the video can now shoot home theaters without any problem. In the stadium, in an enclosed environment like the living room or the dining room. Thanks a lot. Now, I'm going to open this box. I don't know which side it is. Let me start from the smaller side. Yes, when we open here, this is what we find. This is a transcend. The transcend hard disk, portable hard disk, which is stable. This one is 8 terabytes. I use it for. I use this one for backing up my files, videos, software, templates, and a lot of other soft copy things. Even my television are here. So now, let me check if there's any other thing in this side of the bag. Yes, here, things are open. So now, in this side here, we got something a little bit good. This is my extension cable, because most of my devices, I'm going to show you, there are some devices that have their holes which cannot shoot the African technology made, like Indian socket and UK type of socket. I'm going to show you in the next item. This is a VLAN extension. So anywhere I want to do my work and there's power source, I use it, but I keep it climate friendly. I mean, preferably solar. Then on to the next zip. Oh, let me first check if there's any other thing inside here. No, there's nothing. So on to another zip. Yes, this is the major room where we can find a lot of things here. Now, this is a very crazy idea. I don't know. Many people have already seen. This one is an RC controller. For layman, it's a remote controller. This remote controller, I use it to control the drone. It uses dry cell. So this one is for controlling the drones. These are the movement circle, the startup, and as you can see, this is the signal for holding the smartphone and a record peacefully. So it's an RC controller. Well, on to another one. We have got this speaker. It's a JBL portable speaker. JBL Charge 4. This is water resistant, and also the speaker is
yeah. This is life, man. This how we roll. If a man got
it's having good bass.
So we got it started to town.
You can use it for charging your phone with a USB.
Believe me, I ain't playing around. I'ma drop a line of y'all to make you think. All them things that you're doing ain't walking enough. Keep your head up, you gon' make it through. Believe me, I ain't playing around. I'ma drop a
Another one is Hot 6. This one I use it for wireless internet. The SIM card here is for Airtel. So for wireless internet, it converts 4G internet straight away to 6G by using HATS technology. So it's a 4G smart box for home and office, but it's portable. It's having some kind of battery where you can charge from here and everything is okay. So this is it. Then another one is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. This one I always use it for drawing my cartoon. This is the pen. So I use this one for drawing the cartoons, and I make the cartoons because my next project will have a lot of cartoons, funny animations. So you should also stay tuned for it. And this is the pen. So for me to use this one, I connect it to computer, which I will show you. I think the next item using extended display. And I do the making of the cartoon. You can check. Well, another one is this PC. This is an SS book. It is having 32 GB RAM. Internal storage is 1 TB, and the graphics card is made by Radeon. So Radeon graphic AMD Ryzen 7. AMD Ryzen 7 is an equivalent of Core i9. So this one can perform any task, from making games, making softwares, editing videos, animations, everything, drawing, everything. So this is it. It is portable. I always use it. I call this one the mother of my tech. So this is the room, a special place for it. Let us sleep there. Inside this bag here, a little bit dirty, is my headphone. It's a JBL headphone with sound. I love JBL. So this is the JBL is a little bit old, you know. This is JBL. It's JBL Live 770 NC. So I use it for editing my video, clear sound. Sometimes when I want to relax, I enjoy cool music like the one you're listening on the background. And also, this is the carrying case, bag, JBL. It's just so good. So we are about to finish it up. The ones left are majorly minor things. Like this one is a mouse. All the power cables of all these things I've been talking about are here. I move with them in the bag. These are the pots, you know. These ones are one of the chargers for the broadband. So what I wanted to explain at the start that I told you is these two. This one is here. Things are mixed. Let me hurry up and so when you see this socket, this is how it happens. These two sockets cannot fit in most African technology sockets. So I bought this extension to convert it. You can see how the port is. Then also you can see how this one is. This one is a Indian made, and this one is a UK made. This one is for the ASOS. When you fix here, it's okay. And also you can fix the same one here. So all my chargers are Type C, and that is all about what I have in my technology bag, my daily technology bag. That's what I use for making my video, for entertaining my friends, for entertaining myself. And thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe.
Come dance la kubu kubu, I'm so Uganda kubu kubu. Come dance la kubu kubu, I'm so Uganda kubu kubu. Come dance.